Hello everyone, my name is Herman, and if you want to improve your English, you've come to the right place. In today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you the 25 most important common questions in the English language. Now, these are questions that you will hear every day, or that simply give way to many conversations. So, if you master these questions and you learn how to ask them and how to answer them, it will improve your English speaking abilities and your conversation skills. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will give you a free gift. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. Now, let's go to the question. Special note, I'm going to be saying the question twice and I'm going to be using different answers. So remember, pause this video and repeat after me. That way you will improve your pronunciation. Question number 1. What's your name? What's your name? And we can answer this question. My name is Herman. What's yours? My name is Herman. What's yours? Question number 2. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Spain. I live in Madrid. You can also answer, I live in Barcelona Street, number 12. So you have a lot of options to answer this question. Question number 3. What do you do? And I mean, what do you do for a living? This is a question that can only be answered with what you do for a living. People can ask what your job is, but most likely in real life, what people will ask of you is, what do you do? Your answer should be, I am a doctor, I am a mechanic, I am a teacher, whatever your profession or whatever it is that you do for a living. Question number 4. What are you doing? What are you doing? Very different to the previous question, both in form and in meaning. This question is asking you what you are doing at the moment. Or in some instances, it may be asking you about your future. Possible answers for this question: I am training, I am studying, I am working. Question number 5. What have you done? What have you done? This is a question that you ask for the recent past. And you can answer, I've just finished my homework. I've just finished my homework. I've just finished my shift. I've just finished my shift. Question number 6. What will you do? What will you do? I'll call the teacher. I'll call the police. I'll call the doctor. Now, I want you to notice how question number 3, question number 4, 5, and 6 are somehow similar in the fact that they are using the verb do. But depending on how you ask it and depending on the tense that you use, the meaning changes greatly. Example, what do you do versus what are you doing? Question number 7. If you're traveling to another country, do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. I'm fluent in English. Yes, I do. I'm fluent in English. Now remember that you can change the language. You can say English, Portuguese, Spanish, whatever. As I said before, these are important questions to know that sometimes are common. Question number 8. Can you play an instrument? Can you play an instrument? You can also ask, can you play any instrument? Can you play any instrument? Yeah, I can play the guitar. Yeah, I can play the guitar. Question number 9. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means you have to go the other way. It means you have to go the other way. Question number 10. When's your birthday? When's your birthday? This question generates a lot of confusion because if you answer with the month, then the answer should be, my birthday is in June. And if you answer with the full date, then the answer should be, my birthday is on June 11th. Question number 11. When were you born? When were you born? Also, you can ask, where were you born? Where were you born? And I have found that this question sometimes is difficult for learners because they tend to say, I born. They forget that they have to actually use verb to be in the past. I was born. I was born. For example, if you ask, when were you born? I was born in the 1980s. Question number 12. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have one brother and one sister. Yes, I do. I have one brother and one sister. Now, if you want to complicate this question just by a little bit, you just have to say, do you have siblings? That word, siblings, makes this question that much more complicated. Question number 13. How are you? How are you? Very well, thanks. How about you? Very well, thanks. How about you? I'm pretty good, thanks. What about you? I'm pretty good, thanks. What about you? I have found that many people confuse this question, how are you, with how old are you? I don't really know why, but it just happens. Question number 14. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Question number 15. What's wrong? What's wrong? I have a pain in my neck. I have a pain in my neck. Question number 16. What's going on? What's going on? You can also ask, what's up? Simply, you can ask, what's up? And you can answer, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything's cool. Everything's cool. Question number 17. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? The weather is rainy. The weather is rainy. The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. A question that is related to question 17 is question 18, and it's, what is it like out there? What is it like out there? And the answers are exactly the same. You can say, it's windy, it's sunny, it's rainy. Question number 19. What is this? Or you can also ask, what is that? The difference is going to be whether you have the object in your hands, near you, or if you have the objects far away from you. If you ask, what is that? That is a guitar. Question number 20 is one that confuses a lot of people. And you have to be careful with the pronunciation. Whose are these? And you can also ask the singular. Whose is this? Now, that question is one that we use when we want to talk about possession. And I'm going to use my guitar again. Whose guitar is that? That is my guitar. Because we are asking, who does that guitar belong to? Whose is that? Question number 21. Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? Now we are starting to use questions in the simple past. I learned English. I learned English at school. I learned English at school. I learned English at school. Question number 22. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? You can answer this question with your hobbies or with the things that you do in your free time. I play the guitar, I spend time with my friends, etc. Question number 23. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. I would like to order X, Y, Z. Yes, please. I would like to order X, Y, Z. Remember that we are using examples to answer these questions. It's all going to depend on the situation in which you are. Question number 24. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? You can answer this with, I know, right? I know, right? And for the final question, question number 25. Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family? And you can answer, yes, I do. I have a big family. Or you can answer the opposite. No, I don't. I have a small family. Remember, you have the two options. Yes, I do. I have a big family. Or, no, I don't. I have a small family. Now, I know that there are many questions and there are many videos with many questions out there. So, in order to make your life much easier, I am going to leave you with a PDF that is going to be down there in the description. It's a PDF file with a mega link. You can download it for free, and it will have all the 25 questions that we studied today with possible answers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember that if you like the content in this channel, give me a like, share the video with somebody that you think that might use it or that might like it. And remember that if you want to continue practicing your English, you can use this video right here. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye.